Hey friends, welcome to another Tech Talk tutorial video. Today we're going to be removing the stand on this HP Pavilion All-In-One computer. It's a really simple process. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, for this job, we're actually going to need just a flat surface. You can see I've put a towel on here in order to protect the screen. You're also going to need a hexagonal wrench, one of these little computer hexagonal wrenches. These are fairly easy to buy in a large kit. I'll put a link in the description box below if you need these guys. And if you need some torque, I've also got a wrench right here that we're going to, or excuse me, some pliers that I've grabbed that we'll need. So with those tools, basically what we're going to be doing is removing the stand. You can see it kind of pivots like this. Once you lay it over flat, you can actually see where the 4 screws are connected to the mounting bracket on the back of this computer. Now, I've actually already removed 3 of those screws. They look like this. You can see they have that little hexagonal head to them. Now, all you need to do is get one of your hexagonal wrenches here, and we're going to pop it into place right here. Now, if your screws are already loose, this is going to be a very easy process. You're just going to go counterclockwise, obviously, and loosen those guys up. Now, these were actually really tight for me, so I had to actually take my pliers and grip them on top here and give it a good solid turn while I was holding this back. And by doing that, you're gonna get a little extra torque on really removing those guys. So that's what you might need those extra pliers for. There are specific tools that have an angle where you can actually get a right angle and do it that way. Those are great tools, but again, if you want to go kind of the cheapest, easiest route, it's just this. So you can see once you loosen the torque on those, they actually come out really easily. And again, there's just those 4 screws that are each slotted into those 4 areas right there. Once that is loose, this actually just pulls right off. So you can see that's what the mounting bracket looks like. There's where it was attached. And yeah, so there you go. That's how you remove the stand. If for some reason you are going to be mounting this computer somewhere and you just need the extra room, that's the process. I hope that has helped, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. We're actually going to make some more videos now. I'm going to be removing this back cover, going after the memory, as well as a hard drive. So if you're interested in those videos, check out the links in the description box below on our channel and hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more tips, tricks, tutorial videos coming up really soon. Thanks for watching.